De.fi 2.0 is here. Straight to the point, I'm gonna walk you through step by step live process on how to buy this pre-sale. But before that, I'm gonna first of all show you the proof that this project is very unique. Here is some of the proof I want to share with you guys that this project has been connected with top crypto exchange such as Binance, KuCoin, Bitmart, Max Global, Coinbase, and so on, which is most popular exchange in the world. And now that you guys have seen proof why you should invest in here, I'm gonna take you to step 1. Step number 1, you need to set up your MetaMask with some funds. As seen here, I have 50 USDT and 0.002 BNB. Once your MetaMask is set up, you need to connect your wallet by come over here where it says connect wallet first. You need to click on that. I'm gonna click on connect wallet first. I click on that. MetaMask. Once your account got connected, one thing you need to know that the minimum purchase is 50 USD. As seen here, minimum purchase is 50 USDT. Okay, once you done that, you need to come and choose vesting plan. I highly recommend you to choose this one because you will be getting 30% and 70% for the next 4 months. Once you choose your vesting plan, you want to come right here to choose the coin you want to pay with it. That you guys have seen, I have choose my payment method. I'm gonna come right here and put the amount I wanna purchase. So seeing here, let me try for just 50 USDT, or let's see, let's put the 51 USDT, all the money I have. Okay, as seen here, I'm gonna be getting 168. Now that I have set the price I want to purchase, the next step is to click on approve button right here. I'm gonna click on that and wait for it. The request will come to my MetaMask account. As seen here, the price has come. All I need to do is to click on next button and click on approve. As seen that the transaction is processing. Okay, seeing the next step, all I need to do is to click on that buy button. Okay, I need to click on confirm. Now another request will come to my MetaMask. I need to click on the confirm button right here. I click on confirm, and now the transaction will be done. That is the all step I need to show you guys, the step-by-step live process on how to buy this token. This token is really good. As seen, join the De.fi 2.0 movement and take your investment into the next level. Your success story start here. Here that you successfully joined the De.fi 2.0, 168.655 De.fi, purchased the token 168 token De.fi. Since you guys have seen this step-by-step live process that we have successfully joined the De.fi 2.0, I'm gonna show you why you should act now. Follow me. This is why you should act right away. Seen here are only 2.5 million USD in limited slot, which is why I said you need to take action after seeing this video. Exclusive pre-sale, get in early and unlock the unbeatable advantage. Potential Binance listing after the pre-sale is over. Imagine what that could do for your investment. Like I said earlier, this project is backing of industry giants such as Binance, KuCoin, Bitmart, and Coinbase, which is most popular exchange in the world. A lot of YouTubers are not showing the live process like I did, step by step, click by click. If you get value for that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Last note, in order to get the best upcoming project and learn more about my trading strategy, make sure to join my Telegram group with the link in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next ones.